Let's get monster making! Hi!
It's a yogurt pot ladybird. For this, we'll need a clean yogurt pot, coloured card, pipe cleaners, stickers, and paint. For the ladybird's body, paint the yogurt pot red.
Painty, painty, monster painty!
Leave that to one side to dry as we need to get drawing. Let's draw 2 leaf shapes. These will be our ladybird's wings.
Buzzy, 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 monster flappy!
Now we can cut these shapes out.
Here comes some monster magic!
Ask a grown-up for help when using scissors at home. Use a glue stick to add these to the back of the dry yogurt pot. Next, bend a pipe cleaner in half. And make some curly ends by wrapping them around your finger.
They make monster-tastic antennae, Rebecca!
Let's use a little glue to stick these to the back of the yogurt pot. Finally, let's decorate! These stickers will be perfect for our ladybird's eyes. Finally, we can draw on a smile. There, one ladybird yogurt pot all done.
Well, my monster makes are sure to make anyone's day monsterific. Why don't you try making your own too?
See you next time!